This short video will show how to use the new panels control. First of all, let's resize our window a bit, and we'll use the new panels control, which is in the controls tab of the toolbox. And we'll go and have a panels control here, and we'll size it here. First of all, you can see on the right hand side it's given a default name of panels 1, note the plural, and it's already added a panel called panel 1 to this panels control. We can go and add many more panels. We'll go and add two more panels, giving us a total of 3. So now we've got 3 panels, and the current one is panel 1. Now let's go and add some controls to this panel. Now note that this is being added to panel 1 of the panels 1 control. And we can see that here, and we can go and change our current panel to panel 2. Notice that the digital clock has now disappeared. It's still there, but it's been hidden, and panel 2 has been brought to the front. Just to prove that, we can bring back panel 1, and we can see it there. So we'll go back to panel 2, we'll go and add a level bar, and we'll go into panel 3, and we'll go and add a dial. Right. So again, we can see panel 2 and panel 1. And in fact, just to prove all these controls are visible, what I'll do is add an action, so when that level slider changes, we'll actually go and change the dial value to come from the level slider value property. So we're actually changing another control on another panel from this control, from the first panel. Now that all sounds interesting, but we need to be able to switch to these programmatically. Let's just go and add some buttons here. We'll say button 1, button 2, and button 3. And we're going to call this, and these could be called anything you want. This could be the DVD panel, for example. And we could say, I want you to go and call the panels 1 and go and set the current panel 2. And if we pull down this list, we can see all the 3 panels here. So we're going to call panel 1 for that one. And for this, we might go and call this TV. And we'll say, go and call the panels 1, set current panel to panel 2. And then for this one, we might go and call this security or something. And we want to go and set the panels 1 to be variables panel 3. And we're done. So now when we go and run this, we can go and switch between these panels, and you can see it switched correctly there. Now if I go and set this one to here and switch back to security, notice that has now changed at 70. If I change this down to here, switch back again, we'll see it's now down at less than 30. So we can fully control each of these independently and access them. And notice there's no border, there's no tabs, everything is nice and clean and very easy. Just to make sure that's absolutely right, we can go and change the background image for this to be something like water lilies or something. And we can go and change the background color of the panels to go and be transparent, so it shines through. So now when we run this, it really does look very seamless. And everything's working great. It's as simple as that. Very powerful new control inside StarDraw.